welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do decimals. First is concept of decimal. Study the place value table shown below. Here the number is 4302. 4 is at 1000 place, 3 is 100 place, 0 at 10th place and 2 as 1's place. Like this, the numbers and their place values given here. We find it. The place value of 2 in 4302 is 2. Because 2 कहाँ पे 1's की पोजीशन पे है, so place value क्या हो जाएगी 2 into 1 2. The place value of 2 in 3024 is 20 because 10's की पोजीशन पे है. So 2 into 10 that is 20. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे हो जाएगी 2 into 100 200 and 2 into 1000 2000. So what do we observe from the above? We observe that the place value of the digit become 10 times as we move from the right toward left. जैसे हम राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ मूव करते हैं, सो प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 10 टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाएगी एंड इट बिकम 100 टाइम्स एज इट मूव फ्रॉम द राइट बाय 2 प्लेस एंड सो ऑन. नाउ व्हाट हैपन व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टुवर्ड राइट? नाउ स्टडी द प्लेस वैल्यू और टेबल शोन बिलो. सो हियर द नंबर क्या है हमारा? नंबर इज 2385. सो प्लेस वैल्यू इज गिवन 2000 की प्लेस पे, 300 की प्लेस पे, 8 पे 10 हो जाएगा एंड 5 पे 1s. Like this, the number and their place value is given. So we observe that the place value of 2 here, it is 2000 because 2000 की पोजीशन पे है. In this number, the place value of 2 is क्या है? 2000 divided by 10, that is 200. Next here, the place value of 2 is 200 divided by 10, that is 20, and here it is 2. So now we observe that the place value of the digit become 1/10 as we move from the left to right. जैसे हम लेफ्ट से राइट में मूव करेंगे, जो प्लेस वैल्यू है it become 1/10. Now if the place value chart we move from the digit 2 further from the left to the right by 1's place, then what will be the place value of 2? It is 2 divided by 10, that is 2/10. So we can extend the place value chart to tens. So 100, 10, ones and then ones के बाद क्या आ जाएगा as we move to the right? 1/10 यानी 1/10. Next is we can also represent 2 tens. 2 tens को हम कैसे करेंगे? 2/10 as a fractional number. Look at the diagram. 2/10. Here 2 parts have been shaded from the 10 part. Total 10 equal part है, उसमें से 2 shaded है, that will represent 2/10. So the shaded portion represent the 210 2/10. Similarly, we can extend the place value chart to the 100 and 1000. Study the chart shown below. Once, then we move to the right. First place हो जाएगा 1/10, then 1/100, 1/1000 and so on. So we can also represent 100, 1000 as the fractional number 1/100, 1/1000. Now study the following table. This table will help you to represent read and write decimals. So number is 4 tenths. So we'll represent fraction में कैसे करेंगे? 4/10. Decimal में करेंगे 0.4. 20 hundreds means 20/100. Decimal में करेंगे 0.20. Now we'll take an example. Write the decimal for the following fraction. 2/10. So decimal में कैसे लिखेंगे? 2/10 है means 1 0 is there. So start from the right hand side. After one digit place the decimal. So 0.2 2 tenths. Same as ही 3/10 है 0.3 3 tenths. So number of zero जितने भी होंगे उसके according हम decimal place करेंगे. Next is how do we observe from the above example? So examples हमने क्या observe किया? We observe that a decimal consists 2 parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. The whole number part is separated by the dot called decimal point. Whole number और decimal को हम decimal point से separate करते हैं. And 11.25, the whole part is 11. Decimal part क्या है? Decimal part is 25. How to read a decimal? We read the decimal without naming the places of the digit. We read the whole number part as a whole and the decimal number part separate digit. The word point is used for the decimal point. Now we'll take an example. Write and read the following decimal in words. 13.8. तो read कैसे करेंगे? 13.8. Clear? Next is Next is exercise 6.1. Write as decimals 7 by 10. So 1 0 is there. So we'll write it as 0.7. Clear? Next is mixed decimals. So far we read about the decimal fractions like 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.998, etc. There is no digit to the left of the decimal point. The number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, etc. are called whole numbers. When there is a whole number to the left of the decimal point, it is called the mixed decimal. 1.5 read as 1 decimal 5. 3.56 को read करेंगे 3 decimal 56, 6.001 or 6 decimal 001 like this. So, the absence of any of the part is shown by 0. For example, 0.5 may be written as 0.5 because whole part missing है, वहाँ पे हमने 0 लगा दिया 0.5. 25 may be written as 25.0 means decimal में हमने क्या लगा दिया, decimal के बाद 0. The decimal have the whole number part and decimal part. The decimal point separate the whole number part and decimal part. For example, 7.25 whole number part 7, decimal part क्या हो जाएगा 25. So whole number part that is 7 and decimal part क्या है 25. Clear? The number of digit after the decimal point is known as the number of decimal places. Means decimal के बाद कितने digits है, that is known as the decimal places. For example, 2.5. So after decimal there is one digit, so has one decimal place in decimal. 578.26 after decimal there are two digits, so it has two places of decimal like this. Next is conversion of decimal into common fractions. So rules: to convert the decimal into fraction, take the given decimal without decimal point as numerator. For the denominator, form the number by annexing as many zeros to the right of 1 as is the number of decimal place is given in decimals. Take this number as denominator. We'll take an example here. Convert the following decimal into fraction. 3.9. So 3.9 solution क्या हो जाएगा? Since there is only one digit immediately after the decimal point, decimal के बाद only one digit है 9. Therefore, the denominator of the fraction would contain 1 followed by 1 0. So 1 digit है तो 1 0 लग जाएगा 39/10. Clear? Next is conversion of fractions into decimal. Rule: to convert the fraction to having denominator 10 or 100 or 1000 into decimal, we write the numerator and mark the decimal point after one place or two place or three place respectively from the right toward left. Example लेते हैं. Write each of the following decimal. 5/10. So 5/10 there is 1 0. So start from the right hand side, after one digit place the decimal. So we'll write it as 0.5. Clear? Next is exercise 6.2. Write each of the following as a decimal. 9/10. So decimal में लिखेंगे 0.9 because there is 1 0 in denominator. Next one is expanded form of decimals. Place value chart for the decimal number up to 3 places of decimal. This is 100, 10, once, then decimal, after decimal 1/10, 1/100, 1/1000. We write decimal number in expanded form with the help of the place value chart. Example से समझते हैं. Write the following decimal in the place value chart. 5.6 है. So इसको कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? 5 कहाँ पे है? वंस की प्लेस पे है. So write 5 under ones column, then decimal, and after decimal first place पे क्या है? 6 है. Means 1/10 place पे है. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 6. Like this we'll arrange the number into place value chart. Clear? Next is like and unlike decimal. Decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. For example, 1.56, 12.35, 105.21. All are having 2 digit after the decimal. So they are having same decimal place. That means they are like decimals. Clear? So decimal having different number of decimal place are called unlike decimal. For example, 1.5, 2.34, 30.628 are unlike decimal. Next is conversion of unlike decimal into like decimal. Consider the following decimal: 0.2, 0.35, 1.463. It is the set of unlike decimal because after decimal सब में अलग अलग number of digit है. So 0.2 मैक्सिमम कितनी है? डेसिमल के बाद 3 है, 3 डिजिट्स हैं. सो 0.2 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2/10. सो क्या करेंगे हम? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और सिंपली मैक्सिमम जो है हम देखेंगे 3 प्लेसेस है तो 0.2 उसके बाद 2 0 लगा देंगे. क्लियर? 0.35 है, 2 डिजिट है, मैक्सिमम 3 है, सो प्लेस 1 0 बिकॉज इट विल नॉट चेंज इट्स वैल्यू. 1.463 वैसे ही रहेगा. सो दे विल बी द सेट ऑफ लाइक डेसिमल. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स. Adding zeros to the extreme right of the decimal number does not change its value. Next is exercise 6.3. Write the place value of each digit in the following decimal. Also write each decimal in the expanded form. 4.6. प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में वंस की प्लेस पे आ जाएगा 4 10th, यानी कि 1/10 पे आ जाएगा 6. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे सो 4 + 6/10. दैट इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ 4/4.6. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज कंपैरिजन ऑफ डेसिमल्स. रूल्स टू कंपेयर टू डेसिमल. कंपेयर द होल नंबर पोर्शन. सबसे पहले हम होल नंबर पार्ट को कंपेयर करेंगे. द डेसिमल विद द ग्रेटर होल नंबर इज ग्रेटर. If the whole number portion are same, compare the 10 digit. If they are same, compare the 100 digit and so on. Example लेते हैं. Compare the following decimal 3.5 and 2.5. First we'll compare the whole number part. 3.5 में whole number part क्या है? 3 and 2.5 में whole number part 2. 3 is greater than 2, so we can say 3.5 is greater than 2.5. Clear? Next is exercise 6.4. Insert greater than and less than in blank. 4.5 and 2.5. So whole number part here it's 4, here it is 2. So 4.5 will be greater than 2.5. Next is addition of decimals. In order to add 2 or more decimal, we proceed as follow. If the given decimals are not direct decimal, change them to like decimal. Write the decimal in column keeping the decimal point in the same column. The digit having the same place value should be in the same column. Add as in the case of ordinary number. In the sum, put the decimal point in the column of the decimal point. Example लेते हैं. We have to add 4.38 and 15.76. Both are like decimal. So, we always put decimal under decimal. Decimal के नीचे decimal लगाएंगे. इस तरीके से ऐड करेंगे. Start from the right hand side जैसे normally हम ऐड करते हैं. 8 + 6 14, 4 1 carry over, 7 3 10 and 1 11, 1 carry over, 5 + 4 9 and 1 10 0, 1 carry over 2. So आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 20.14. Next is subtraction of decimal. To subtract the decimal, we proceed as follow. Change the given decimal into like decimal. Write the greater number on the top and smaller below, so that the decimal point of both the numbers are in the same column. Subtract as in the case of ordinary number. In the difference, put the decimal point in the column of the decimal point. Subtract 49.625 from 123.3. So first क्या करेंगे? like decimal में convert करेंगे. maximum कितना है? decimal के बाद 3 है, so 120.3 and 20 यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. decimal के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए. normally जैसे subtraction करते हैं वैसे ही करेंगे. that answer क्या हो जाएगा? 73.675. You can check your subtraction by adding the difference so obtained to the smaller number. If the result is greater number, it means the subtraction is correct. अगर हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू 123.300. दैट मीन्स आवर सब्ट्रैक्शन इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 6.5. राइट इन कॉलम एंड देन एड द फॉलोइंग 2.35 एंड 5.23. लाइक डेसिमल है, सो 2.35 एंड 5.23. नाउ ऐड देम. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. 5 + 3 8, 3 + 2 5, डेसिमल आ जाएगा 5 + 2 7. So answer is 7.58. Next is word problems. Anita purchased a pair of shoes for rupees 325.50, a pair of socks for rupees 15.75 and a bag for rupees 63.60. हाउ मच मनी डिड अनीता स्पेंड इन ऑल द परचेज. सो टोटल फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. मनी स्पेंड ऑन शूज, सॉक्स, बैग, टोटल कर देंगे सबको. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 404.85. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 6.6. Sudha ran a race 100 meter long in 11.2 seconds. Ruchika covered the same distance in 8.55 seconds. Find the total time taken by both. So total time तो दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे 11.2 and 8.55. So like decimal में convert कर देंगे, यहाँ पे 0 ऐड कर देंगे. Now we'll add them. 5, 5 to 7, 8 plus 1 9. So that is equals to 19.75 seconds. Next is percentage. The term percent literally means out of 100. Percentage का मतलब है out of 100. When we express the quantity of any object as compared to 100 parts, it is called its percentage. The symbol used to express percentage is, this is the symbol of percentage. Consider the following statement. Shreya scored 95% marks in her first term exam. Meaning Shreya scored 95 marks out of 100 marks. 100 में से 95 marks आए. The bank offered the cheapest loan at 12% per annum. Meaning for every 100 rupees the borrower has to pay 12 rupees as the interest to bank. End of season sale offer 50% discount. Meaning an article costing 100 rupees will given for 50 rupees less. The untimely rain damaged 40% of the wheat crop. Meaning out of every 100 kg of wheat, 40 kg were damaged. Next is relationship between fractions, decimal and percentage. The figure given below, 100 squares are equal size. 25, 48 and 9 parts have been shaded for each figure. यहाँ पे 25, 48 and 9 parts shaded कर रखे हैं total 100 में से. So क्या हो जाएगा, फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट वाले का आउट ऑफ 100 25 आर शेडेड. सो 25 अपॉन 100 डेसिमल में लिखेंगे 0.25 25%. 48 अपॉन 100 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0.48. that is equals to 48%. 9 upon 100 that is equals to 0.09 that is equals to 9%. Now we'll take an example. Express 5% as the fraction. So परसेंटेज को फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, परसेंटेज हटाएंगे एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 100 लगा देंगे. So 5 upon 100 that is equals to 1 upon 20. Clear? This is how we'll change into fraction. Next is mathematical expression of percentage. It is clear that the percentage indicates the amount of an object as compared to 100 parts. It is however not necessary that only 100 parts are defined. Example लेते हैं. 25% of 500 tiles were broken. 500 में से 25% थी broken थी. How many tiles were damaged? So that means 25% means 25 tiles out of 100 tiles were broken. This implement that 25 into 5 out of 100 into 5 tiles were broken. So 125 out of 500 tiles were broken. They show that 3 terms are involved in taking out percentage. Total number of parts that is equals to denominator. Number of parts that is numerator and the parts out of 100 that is percentage. So percentage क्या हो जाएगा, numerator upon denominator into 100. It follow that numerator क्या हो जाएगा, percentage into denominator upon 100 and denominator that is equals to numerator upon percentage into 100. Example लेते हैं. Keshav secured 465 marks out of 500. 500 में से 465 marks आए. Find the percentage. Percentage क्या हो जाएगी, 465 upon 500 into 100 that is 93%. Clear? Next is exercise 6.7. Express the following fractions as percentage. 5 upon 6. So percentage में करना है, that means 5 by 6 को हमें क्या करना है, 100 से multiply करना है. So that is equals to 500 upon 6. Divide करेंगे. 6 is the 48. डेसिमल लगाएंगे. 83.33%. Clear? Next is highlights. The fraction part is usually separated from the whole number by the mean of dot called decimal point. 0 at the end of decimal number do not change its value. When the decimal is multiplied with the decimal point in the product is equal to the number of decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplied together. When the decimal number is multiplied by a whole number, there are as many decimal places in the product as in the decimal number. The product of two decimal numbers remain the same even if the order of their factors change. The product of decimal number and 1 is the decimal number itself. The product of a decimal number and 0 is 0. Next is chapter test, write the decimal. 3 by 10, so 1 0 is there, so we will write 0.3. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.